Hi, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for September 2020. If you're not familiar with IPSY, it's a monthly subscription. You receive a bag with a mixture of makeup, skincare, or nail products. There are 3 different levels of the IPSY Glam Bag. The main IPSY Glam Bag, the base bag, is $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe size samples in a makeup bag, and you have an option to choose one of those items. They say that those 5 deluxe size samples will have a value of $50 or more. The Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you'll get 5 full-size items in a drawstring bag. You have the option to customize 3 of those 5 items, and they say that you'll have a value of $120 or more. The Glam Bag Ultimate is $50 a month, and that has 8 full-size products plus 4 deluxe size samples. You do have an option to choose one of your full-size products, and they say that you will receive a value of more than $250. So let's take a look at this month's product. Here's our bag, and I can already see that there's one item that is outside the bag, but we will get to that in a minute. Here is this month's bag. Every month the bag is different, and this is sort of a velvet corduroy would be the best way I would describe it, drawstring bag. I think it's really cute. I know that they have recently changed from makeup bags to these drawstring bags at this level, and there's some controversy about it. Some people like it and some people don't. I think they're really cute, and they'll also be really good for stuffing full for giveaways. So let's open it up and take a look. And first we have a card, September 2020. Good vibes. I guess that's our theme this month. And unfortunately, while it talks about how we are going to be radiating positivity this month, in some ideas of ways that you can do that, it doesn't give you any information about the products. So I went ahead and did a little bit of research so that we'll know a little bit about what we have and whether it's worth the total value that they said we're going to get. So let's go ahead and dig inside and find our first product. And okay, our first product is Pure Heals by Nature Village, the Centella 80 Eye Cream. And this was one of IPSY's choice. This is not something that I customized. So this is a potent combo of 80% Centella asiatica, somebody tell me below in the comments if I got that right, complex, and adenosine to help to hydrate your eye area, plump up the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and create a lifting and tightening effect. Well, if that's true, that really sounds good to me. Excuse me. First day with new hair, and I'm having a little trouble keeping it out of my eyes. So it says that dark circles and puffiness happen, but don't panic because niacinamide is here to help. The hardworking antioxidant is clutch when it comes to brightening shadows and deflating those under eye bags. It's an all-natural plant-based eye cream made without harmful chemicals or animal materials. And this is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce, and it retails for $33.90. Given that we started out with a $25 bag, we already have retail value beyond that, and we're only at the first product. Our second product is from Goldfaden MD, and it is the Brightening Elixir Protect and Repair Brightening Serum. This was IPSY's choice, and they say that it is for photo-damaged skin. This serum contains vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid for fading discoloration and smoothing fine lines, vitamins B3, and B5 to give skin nourishment while protecting it from environmental damage like UV, pollution, and blue light. And this is 30 milliliters or 1 ounce, and the retail value of this is $80. Wow. Okay, our third product is the one that was not in the bag, and it is here, and it is from LaRouche. Somebody comment down below, tell me how to say that. And it is the Essentials brush set, and this was the first item that I got to choose. There were, I believe, 3 or 4 items that you could choose from, and I chose the brush set. I love a good brush set. I love brushes. In case you couldn't tell from behind me, I have brushes everywhere. I love brush sets. Am I the only one? Tell me down below. If you've got a favorite brush or favorite brush brand, let me know, because you can never have too many makeup brushes. So these are 5 brushes, and they are synthetic bristle, vegan, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic. And we have a, let's see if I get these right. This is their LR335 flat foundation brush. We have the LR334 angled contour brush. And we have the LR005 tapered blending brush. The LR222 kabuki brush. And the LR110 shadow brush. Now this set is not available as a set on the LaRouche website, but the brushes are available individually. If purchased individually, the total retail price of these 5 brushes would be $154. Something tells me we're going to do okay on value in this box. Okay, let's go in. Ooh, let's dig in again and see what we have next. And this is from Wander Beauty, and it is the Wondrous Seascape eyeshadow palette. This is another one that I chose that I was able to customize, and they say that it is a richly saturated eyeshadow palette with a range of 6 refreshing shades inspired by the tropical seascape. And let's see if I can, so there are 6 shades, and I finally got a palette on this channel that's not broken. There is a little sheet of plastic, but I'm going to put it up here so that you can see the shades. There is a Seafoam, which is a shimmer champagne green, Champagne Harbor, that's that shimmering champagne, Sand Dollar, which is this matte brown, Golden Reef, which is over here. This is the foiled amber gold. Sea Salt, right in the middle here, is the shimmering warm pink. And Coastal, down in the corner, is the satiny deep blue. And this retails for $25. Not sure if this is really for me, but I'm going to think about it. But don't be surprised if you see this one showing up in a giveaway. Okay, and our next item is from Ciate London, and it is the Triple Shot XXL Mascara. This is another one that I chose. And they say that you can create luscious lashes. Wow, say that 3 times fast. Create luscious lashes of your dreams without extensions. Back and better than ever, this is an upgraded, reimagined mascara that instantly volumizes for intense definition and extends the lashes for an extreme lengthening effect. They say it is infused with diamond powder and uses the latest in lash innovation, flower-shaped fibers that work to lengthen the lashes longer than traditional mascara formulations. Now, how we would know that the fibers are actually flower-shaped, I don't know. So, I mean, they could tell me that the fibers in the mascara are shaped like the Statue of Liberty, and I'd have to believe them. But the fact that they're saying they've got flower-shaped fibers, I want to know. So I want to try it out. And I'm always, forever on the hunt for the perfect mascara that doesn't give me raccoon eyes and that lasts all day. So we'll give this one a shot. I'm not going to open it right now because I do have a number of mascaras that I'm using right now, and I also have a whole bunch in backup because I don't want to have too many open at any one time, because you know they do go bad and they do dry out. So most mascaras usually have, I believe they say you should change them every 6 months. Yep, 6 months is what it says on the back of here. So, like I said, I have in my active makeup back here a few that I'm using, half a dozen, and I probably have a dozen more over here, either samples or full sizes. So I'm not going to open this right now, but if you are interested and want to know how it actually wears, put a comment down below and I will move it into rotation soon and let you know. But this Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara retails for $22. So those were all the items that came in this month's bag, but I did pick up a couple of items in the add-ons. And what I picked up were 2 of the same item. These are the IPSY by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pens. I've heard great things about the eyeliners from IPSY, and I'd never tried them before. They are waterproof. They say they're super long wear, no smudge, no budge eyeliners. Again, I'm the queen of the raccoon eyes, so I don't wear eyeliners a lot specifically because they don't stay, they smudge, they move around. So they claim that these will glide on like seamless silk and in a single sweep motion create a flawless, solid jewel-toned line and not require retouching all day or all night. So I'm willing to give that a shot. I got two shades. I got Black Caviar and Bronze Beam. Just for a heads up, there are actually more than one black shade. I believe there are two. The other is Black Noir. This is Black Caviar, so just a heads up on that. These retail for $12 each. They were add-ons at $3 a piece, and for $3 I definitely wanted to give them a shot because, like I said, I've heard great things about the IPSY eyeliners, so I wanted to give them a try. So again, retailing $12 each, add-on price $3. That's a 75% discount. Hard to beat. So that's everything that came in our bag. Again, I love the bag. I had planned to use this for giveaways, but I don't know, I might keep it. Actually, it's a great color with the gold cord to maybe hang on to and use for Christmas presents instead of wrapping paper. Just a thought. But anyway, so let's go over everything again, what we got. We got the Pure Heals Centella 80 Eye Cream, the Goldfaden MD Brightening Elixir Protect and Repair Brightening Serum that retails for $80. The LaRouche, somebody tell me, brush set. The Wander Beauty Wanderous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. The Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara. Now, those items had a total retail value, not including the bag, of $314.90. I also picked up the two IPSY eye pencils, which we'll put in here as well. So total value with the add-ons, retail value $338.90. I paid $25 for the bag, $6 for the add-ons, so $31. So that, if you work it out, the discount on this was about 91%. Hard to argue that I didn't get my money's worth on this one. Even if the only thing I kept, say, was the mascara and the eye pencils, I still got my $31 worth. I'm really happy with this month's IPSY Plus. So tell me, what do you think about what I got in this month's IPSY Glam Plus? Did you get the same items in your bag? Do you subscribe to IPSY? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, if you've enjoyed my video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It really does help put me into the YouTube algorithm. And if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoy unboxings, you enjoy beauty and lifestyle, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love to have you join us in the future. Until then, thanks for taking the time to hang out with me for a while today. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.